Grande Cosmetics 2-Step Lash System Gift Set. The 2-Step Lash System Starter Kit features a 4-week trial-size GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum and a travel-size GrandeMASCARA Conditioning Peptide Mascara. Enhance your own natural lashes for a longer, fuller, healthier appearance. Apply GrandeLASH-MD once daily on upper lash line only. Use only one dip for both lash lines. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to dry. Do not get into the eyes. In event of direct contact, rinse with cool water. Apply GrandeMASCARA from lash base to tip. Top reviews from the United States. I think it works? I got sucked into buying this from the TikTok and have to say I think it does work. My eyelashes don't look dramatically different, but they do look a bit fuller and longer, nicer than they have been looking. Super easy to apply, and I will likely buy again and keep using. I like the lash serum better than the mascara, but both are worth buying.